AWS CodeCommit is a fully managed source control service that hosts secure Git repositories in the AWS cloud. It provides a collaborative environment for source code management similar to GitHub or Bitbucket. Here's how to use AWS CodeCommit. Create an AWS CodeCommit repository. Sign into AWS. Log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to CodeCommit. Open the CodeCommit service from the AWS console. Create repository. Click on Create Repository. Enter a name, description, and select the repository type. Permissions. Set permissions for who can access the repository. Clone the repository. Use Git to clone the repository. Replace AWS CodeCommit repo with your repository URL. Commit and push changes. Make changes to the codebase locally. Use Git commands to commit and push changes. Review changes and pull requests. Navigate to the CodeCommit console and review changes under repositories. For code collaboration, you can create pull requests to merge changes from one branch to another. Secure and scale. AWS CodeCommit integrates with other AWS services like IAM for access control and CodePipeline for continuous integration and deployment.